now attorney and Fox legal expert Whitney Boan. Out of the gates, I got to ask, were you surprised that OJ Simpson was paroled today?
I was not. You know, given that he was already granted parole in 2013, given that he was a low risk in terms of assessing by the Nevada Parole Commission what they assign in terms of points for risk for certain inmates in terms of whether or not they're appropriate for release, and he was already low in 2013 given his age. I'm not really surprised that this happened. I think everyone in the legal community kind of expected this in terms of the criteria that was to be considered and the likelihood of his being released.
And talk about that criteria more, because many folks, of course, keep associating it with the allegations against him in the 1990s. He was acquitted of all of that, but people having a struggle separating that in their mind. This was only in regards to the crime he committed in Nevada, correct?
That's correct. I mean, and the commission could have considered whether or not he had any other criminal history, but the truth is he didn't have any other criminal history. So part of what was considered by the commission was what his age was at the time of his first arrest, which was involving Nicole Simpson and Ron Goldman murders, and it was when he was 46 years of age. However, because he was not convicted of that crime and because he was acquitted, they were not able to consider the substantive acts that he was accused of and actually acquitted of eventually in front of a trial.
Legal expert Whitney Boan, thanks for your time and insight. As always, we appreciate it.
Thanks.